Unraveling the magic of prefixes and suffixes, context clues for meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to delve deeper into the fascinating world of English language. Our focus will be on understanding the impact of prefixes and suffixes on word meaning. Specifically, we will be uncovering how to use context clues to determine the meaning of words with prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes are the building blocks that modify the meaning of the base words they attach to. A prefix is added at the beginning of a word, while a suffix is added at the end. For instance, in the word unhappiness, un is a prefix meaning not, and ness is a suffix that forms a noun of quality. Ever come across a word you're not familiar with and you've somehow guessed what it could mean? That's probably because you've used context clues without even realizing it. Context clues are hints in the sentence or paragraph that surround the unfamiliar word that help you understand its meaning. Context clues become especially useful when you encounter a word with a prefix or suffix you're not familiar with. By understanding the overall message of the sentence or paragraph, you can often deduce the role of the prefix or suffix in altering the word's meaning. For example, consider the sentence, "The chef's extraordinary skill made the plain dish transcendental." Even if you don't know what transcendental means, you might guess it's something positive by the overall praise in the context. The best way to get better at using context clues is to practice. Try reading a piece of text and identify any words with prefixes or suffixes you don't know. Then, using the context clues, try to guess their meanings before looking them up. Remember, language learning is a journey and every step you take makes you better at it. By mastering the use of prefixes, suffixes, and context clues, you can expand your vocabulary and comprehension in a significant way. I hope you found this video helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning!